Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix a Honda Civic window not going up. We will begin by identifying the most common culprits behind this issue. First, we will check the window switch itself to ensure it is receiving power. Then, we will move on to inspecting the fuse box for any blown fuses that might be interrupting the electrical flow. These initial steps are crucial for a quick diagnosis. Next, let's focus on the window switch. You will need to carefully remove the interior door panel to access it. Once the panel is off, disconnect the electrical connector from the switch assembly. Using a multimeter, test the switch for continuity across its terminals. If the switch shows no continuity when pressed, it likely needs replacement. This step helps isolate the problem efficiently. If your switch is working correctly, the next step is to test the window motor. With the door panel still removed, locate the motor and disconnect its electrical connector. Carefully apply 12 volts directly to the motor's terminals using jumper wires. Listen closely for any sound of the motor operating or the window attempting to move. If there is no response, the motor is likely faulty and requires replacement. Finally, it is time for reassembly and a thorough test. Reconnect all electrical components, ensuring every connection is secure and snug. Carefully reinstall the interior door panel and any trim pieces you removed, making sure they fit properly. Once everything is back in place, test the window operation multiple times, both up and down, to confirm the fix. Congratulations, you have successfully repaired your window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.